Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to make this Pokeball. And here we use the Revolve, Offset Plane, Extrude, Shell, Mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this Pokeball, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create a center line here with 14 millimeters of length, and we will create this arc with 14 millimeters. Then we will create a line here with 13 millimeters and create this arc here with 30 millimeters. And then we'll create a line here to close this sketch. Okay, so open the Fusion and go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and here select line, make a line here with 14 millimeters and create another line here with 13 millimeters and go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint, make an arc here, click in this point and click here in the midpoint again, make an arc here. Okay, and select a line, make a line between these 2 points. This line must be a horizontal line, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 1 millimeters. Okay, so go to sketch dimension, select this line and select this point here. The distance here is 1 millimeters and press OK. Finish the sketch and go to revolve. The axis of revolution is this center line here, and operation new body, press OK. We made this one. Okay, and now we will create this cut here. So to create this cut, we will select the create a new plane, go to construct and select offset plane and select the front plane here. Move this here minus 20 millimeters and press OK. And go to create a sketch and select this new plane. In this new plane, we will create the circle with 9 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in the midpoint, 9 millimeters of diameter and press OK. And finish the sketch, go to extrude and the extend type, select the to object, and the object, select this face here. And the operation here is cut and press OK. We made this cut here. And now we will shell this body, and the thickness of this body is 0.5 millimeters. So go to modify, select the shell. The face that we will remove is the bottom face, and the thickness 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. Let me show inside for you. Look this. Okay. Now we will create the bottom part. So to create the bottom side here, we will mirror this body. So go to create and select mirror. The object type body, the object, select this body. And the mirror plane, you can select the top plane or select this face. Operation join and press OK. We made this. And now we will create these 2 buttons here. And each button has 0.5 millimeters of distance, the extrusion, okay? And the diameter here, we have a circle with 4 millimeters of diameter and a circle with 6 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a circle. Make a circle here with 6 millimeters of diameter. And create another circle in the center with 4 millimeters of diameter. Okay? And finish the sketch. And go to Extrude. And select all this circle here. Let me hide this bar a little bit. Select all this profile. And the start, select the object and select this face here. And the extrusion here is 0.5 millimeters. But the direction will change here. So put minus 0.5 millimeters, operation join and press OK. And now show the sketch again, the sketch tree, and go to extrude and select only the circle with 4 millimeters of diameter. And the start, select the object and select this face here, and the distance here 0.5 millimeters. So minus 0.5 millimeters, the distance, okay? Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch tree. And to add color here, we will select this face. This face here will be red. So select this face, press letter A in the keyboard, sorry. Select this face and this two face here. And select a color here. I'll go to paint, glossy. Select red. And this face here is white. This face is black. And this button here is white. And this face here is white. You can change the color here, okay? And that's it. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.